Hi, this is the second fastest model of the new Sophos access points, the APX 530. There are currently 3 new access points from Sophos. In November, there will be another access point for small environments at an entry price, the APX 120. This device here was also introduced in the mid of July 2018 and comes in a new packaging design. This gives you a feeling to get a high quality product. Compared to the previous model, the AP55 and 55C, this access point offers 3 times more maximum performance. More technical details and the price can be found in our shop, link in the description. The access point also gets power by PoE Plus 802.38T and needs 17.7 watt. The additional Ethernet port can be used to connect the device to the network. The APX 530 can already be managed today by Sophos Central Wireless, or in November the firmware for the XG Firewall will be available. Bad news for all users still using the UTM operating system. APX and Sophos UTM will never work. The access point offers an optimal cover for the clients if it is mounted on the wall or ceiling. For the mounting, there is this bracket. You can feel the quality by the weight. This access point is almost twice as heavy as the AP55. That was a short overview of the access point. I hope this video was useful and you know now what you can expect from the APX 530.